Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. So we got new contract on my Ninja Trader. It's April contract. So from what I see so far on gold, I will be fast right now since I would like to see the test of New York Midnight Open. 1 second, I'm going to bring this back. So from what I see so far on gold, I will do top-down analysis, guys. I will ask how are you today in one moment. Let's focus right now. So from what I see so far, we took London low, right? Price retraced back to premium. We took internal buy side. What I'm watching right now, drop toward New York Midnight Open and attempt to take this internal sell side liquidity level. That's what I'm watching, guys, now. Let's open 3-minute chart. It's exactly the same picture. We got propulsion block on 3-minute chart. If you will short, I'm not sure we're going to get 2R, to be honest. But I would like to look for New York Midnight Open. I did test. So as you can see, it's April contract here. Here's a gold chart. Chart a bit different, right? So basically on regular gold chart, futures chart, we took New York Midnight Open on April contract. So I'm going to trade April contract on my Ninja Trader. We didn't take this level. So I would like to see New York Midnight Open at the test now. So from what I see so far, closure, the test, this one. Once again, I'm not sure if you're going to get 2R. Where is 2R based on this setup? This one. So now, guys, how are you? How do you feel today? Any trades? Something? Something good happened, maybe something bad happened, share with me. Silver creates equal lows, which makes me feel like, yeah, a New York Midnight Open is the right level to be retested. Any losses, any wins? Okay. In Q kind of interesting because in Q trying but keep failing to take buy side. Overall, I'm bullish, and as I said yesterday on both streams, Ninja Trader Live, Tradify TV Live, I want to see the test of 10 AM open, then a potential long. This is exactly what happened. See this move down here? It's 10 AM open from yesterday. And then delivery higher. Oh, you're very welcome. You're very welcome. I do like Replikanto. I trade Replikanto. I use Replikanto. Hello, guys. I mean, I don't really have issue with Replikanto. It's Ninja Trader copier, but also I'm testing Trade Copier and Trade Thinker. I cannot give you any review just yet because I just started testing this. Has secret Japanese back? No, I don't. Guys, quick announcement. Soon, maybe like starting next month, basically February, I'm going to start streaming PM session on my channel. So I'm going to stream both sessions, AM and PM session. We are going to do lots of giveaways. We are going to do lots of trades during AM session, during PM session. So most likely I'm not going to stream on Tradify TV starting next or in 2 weeks. But once again, I will stream here. We can do more giveaways. I can start early. Maybe I will just stream early. I mean, maybe I will start like at 9 AM. We'll finish at 2 PM. Maybe it's going to be long streams. What's the reason of more? It's just my contract expired, so nothing bad. Nothing. If everything is fine, guys, just contract done. Moving on, guys. Better to have 2 streams? Yeah, I mean, I have a plan to start like stream from 9 to 11. Quick break, and I'm going to come back at 12:30, and we are going to stream until like 2 or so. So yeah, guys, let's see how it goes. Good idea. I know you you want to see PM session starts early. I totally understand this. That's why we are going to do this. I believe it's going to be from 12:30 PM. So basically we will start during lunch, and we will finish when we want to finish. So I am not going to give you like time when we are going to finish. But yeah, I took the short, but with a couple of micros. It's okay. Just to start the day on this account. This entry model works so well every single day. Not only last 7 days. Trust me, guys, it works every single day. I trade this for 1 year without any stops. It works on gold. It works everywhere. Yeah. So guys, let's see what we're going to trade together today. Maybe it's going to be gold, since seems like indices inside consolidation. Guys, I'm going to do analysis probably on April contract, because Ninja switched my contract to April from, I guess it was February contract, right? Or which contract it was. So yeah, I'm going to stream on, 1 second, I'm going to close the door. But yeah, guys, I know if it's good news for you or not, but I'm going to stream both sessions on my channel starting next week or in 2 weeks. Basically in February, guys. More giveaways, more trades. You will see soon, guys. You will see me more than your family. Yes. Changed the state of delivery after we got sweep. Because I noticed, guys, we have nice setups around like 12:30. So I will start streaming PM session just early. I will take a break after AM session stream. Then I come back to you guys. You know, like, you probably want to tell me you sit in front of your computer all day. But guys, I trade as well. I trade all day. If I'm off stream or I'm going to be on stream, it's like whatever. Yes, I'm trading all day because I like it. Which model works every single day? Yes, which model works every single day. I have video about this on my YouTube channel, guys. Everything covered on my YouTube channel, but something cool on my YouTube channel is going to be, I'm going to post this like within the next 2 months. So something cool is coming. Going to post link right now, guys, for you for the model I trade. I mean, you know this model, like everyone knows this model. But I included backtest. Soon I will post nice videos, guys. I promise you're gonna like it. Basically, I'm going to share everything I know. Like everything. When I say everything, this means everything I know about ICT. So soon, within the next 2 months, to short all-time high. I keep doing this every single day, honestly. I hate to short all-time high, but I just... Why I keep doing this? Especially last 3 trading days. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like nothing here. 5 bullish candles on daily chart. I mean, obviously I anticipate to get some retracement down. Let's open daily chart on gold and see if we got this kind of price action before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pull back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pull back. 1, 2, 3, 4, like nothing, 5, pull back. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, basically 5, pull back is coming. It's just historic, like it's going to happening like that. So, no reason not to go lower, to be honest. Are you teaching kids ICT? No, I'm going to repeat this again. I'm not going to teach my kids how to trade because we're all different. We have different psychological barriers, guys. If I'm okay with losing, I'm okay to be wrong. I mean, I'm perfectly fine with this. I understand it's part of the game. Some people killing themselves because of losses, because of losing the money. So, guys, I have no idea how good psychological barrier my kids have. So if they ever will decide to do this, I'm not going to participate in this. I will say, okay, go study. If you're going to like it, perfect, trade. If you're not going to like it, find something else. I'm just trying to say I'm not going to participate and I'm not going to try to teach them. So yeah. If they will ever want to learn this, okay, you have YouTube, you have lots of sources on Google. Go for it, guys, go for it. I have 1 micro left on this trade, by the way. It's trade, of course, guys, everything tradable. 1 micro left in this trade. I was in with 3 micros, I guess, or 2 micros, don't remember. I'm not sure how far we can drop. I just put random level here. It means nothing. At 50, it's April contract. At 50.84, I have nothing. I just have no idea how far we can drop. I'm just going to trail stop loss. It's just random. Random TP. Guys, we are going to trade indices together after market open. Oops. It's my very first trade. I didn't take any other trades. Short happened, guys, at 8.25. I was in these trades from 8.25. You didn't miss anything because I was in this trade from 8.25. So you missed nothing. We are going to trade more because we are the best traders, guys. We're not going to give up with 1 trade, right? Oops. I have no idea how far we can drop, but I'm just going to... I'm okay to trade more today. We took some internal lows. Where's your TP? Tell me your TP. I'm going to put my TP there because I don't have targets lower. 2 already happened. I seriously don't know how far we can drop. $82? What level do we have at 82? 84? I put at 84 because, honestly, guys, it's just random level. 82, 82. Oh, like liquidity, right? Yeah, maybe. You entered here. You know, do you trade April contract now? Yes, one candle close I get in. It was 8:25 or so. It was like long time ago, like 1 hour ago I entered this trade. Shows New York midnight open. I can write indicator that shows New York midnight open. It's not a problem. It's not hard indicator. Oh, okay. Hey, why you open the trade? Oh, I got it. You just traded old contract. I don't know why. I need to try to said like I need to change contract. I was like, well, okay. JForex, have you ever heard about this app? Never ever. So guys, right now we're going to focus on our trade to take together. Guys, yesterday on TradingView TV I entered short. I entered short at, who remember what time it was if you watch me? Oh, here. No. Which, yeah, I entered setup here on TradingView TV yesterday. And I was like, perfect price action. Let me trail to break even. I was up like 20 points. Like I was 20 points. Like no way it's going to come back to my entry. I trailed to break even and I didn't enter anymore. Painful. But guys, every single day if you see my trades on stream, only one trade, one model. I don't take any other models. Hello, I got your invite. Thank you so much. Looks so good. I'm trading with this tool right now. Thank you so much. Looks so good. So good. I don't have any issues. Which model I trade, guys? It's basically personally, I execute 30-minute SIP and 3-minute OB. Sometimes, like yesterday on TradingView TV stream, I executed hourly SIP and 5-minute OB because we didn't have any 30-minute SIP, 3-minute OBs, which is fine. But yeah, yesterday was a day of gold. Gold was just a textbook yesterday. And trade done. I mean, guys, we are going to trade more. Who are we to give up? Like, come on, like, they didn't even start yet. We are going to trade more. We are going to execute, I guess, more trades on gold. Depends. If index is going to be garbage, we are going to trade gold. Because gold is better at this point. I have link on my YouTube which indicators I use every single day. It's like 10 minutes long video, but I showed every single settings, guys. Here's a link for indicators I use every single day. It's free indicators, of course. Yeah, we are going to trade together today because I hope to get textbook set up. Yeah, I mean, if indices are going to be garbage, we will trade gold. I guess it's not a problem for us. Guys, I'm going to stay on an April contract because Ninja has different price. And I'm going to trade this April contract. I'm not sure if Trader would ask you to switch as well, but it asked me, so I switched. Good morning, good morning. So guys, what do you think about indices now? We took... Did we actually took? We didn't. We didn't take any important liquidity levels just yet. Let me hide indicators for now. We didn't take any important liquidity levels yet. I'm just trying to figure out what kind of bias I have today. Yeah, if I will see setup for reversal, of course we are going to trade long. You know, guys, I noticed, like, I don't need to be stick to, like, I'm so confident with my bias every single day. And then when I'm wrong, I keep making mistakes, trying to just trust my bias, ignoring invalidation. So I'm trying to just, you know, trade what I see, not what I think. So that's why I'm like, when you ask me, like, if you're going to ask me what kind of bias I have, I will probably tell you I'm not sure yet, because I can be bullish for the day, you know, and like it can be bearish run first hour after market open. After this, we are going to get bullish day, like bullish move. I know, like somewhere to the moon, right? And I feel like when I'm just stick to this bullish bias and I see bearish invalidation, it just kind of, it confused me so much. So I'm just going to stick to what market gives me in real time. And I'm not sure if I'm bearish or bullish today. If it's going to be bearish setup, I will take this bearish setup. If it's going to be bullish setup, I will take this bullish setup. As long as high time frame tells me it's bullish and I see lower time frame bullish setup, I'm going to take it. For now, let's see what we have. Here's a New York midnight open. Same for oops. Okay. Here's New York midnight open on NQ. So guys, we kind of stuck at New York midnight open. Remember, New York midnight open is basically center line, center point of dealing range, intraday dealing range, right? I discussed this on my New York midnight open video, right? Can I say we got manipulation above or below New York midnight open? Definitely, we didn't get this. Which means maybe we are going to retrace down today to offer manipulation, since high time frame still bullish. So manipulation down back to previous exactly same level I mentioned yesterday, between previous week high and Friday high, and we are going to get long from that area. Yeah, because NQ looks kind of strong right now, kind of hard to say it's ready to drop. For example, it has previous weekly high, right? After focus. What happened? Maybe I need to sit closer. Should be better. Hello, camera. Please stop playing with me. Where did I stop? Don't remember. Yeah, NQ kind of strong. Can I say it's trying to offer better setup? Not really yet, because we just consolidating at New York midnight open since New York midnight open, right? While yes, really trying. So we have some sort of SMT at lows right now, and yeah, market been pretty bullish since like I guess last year, right? Yeah, from November. After we got big pullback, market is pretty bullish. But interesting picture on daily chart here, right? Let me hide everything. Compare pictures here. So ES took previous monthly high long time ago, as well as we got the test of this level yesterday again, while NQ really fighting. So it keeps moving from discount to premium, from discount to premium. So from what I see so far, we got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, like pretty much 5 bullish candles on NQ. And main question, what can happen today? So today is a day for the retracement back down to the range, where we're going to drop to 500. maybe sell side here, or we are going to finally take equal highs here. You know, picture on ES definitely looks a bit different. Sorry guys, all-time high is coming again. Like no reason to argue about this. But if NQ is going to fail to take this equal highs again, I will look for shorts, especially during the AM session. She's actually, I'm just trying to say I see different pictures right now between ES and NQ. And I guess my main confirmation for the day is going to be NQ. Because on ES, like we clearly can see it's bullish. But on NQ, lots of questions about this. Do we have news at 10? Seems like I'm gonna check my economic calendar. We are going to have news, yes, at 10 a.m. Medium impact news. And Trump is going to speak today at 2, right? Oh, I mean, still, you know, medium impact news. Maybe we'll see some volatility. You missed 1 month stream. Where were you? I was thinking about you, by the way, a couple of weeks ago. Trump speaks at 2 p.m., I believe. So let's bring my drawings back. So as I said before, since we consolidate on New York midnight open on both ES and NQ, I would try to see manipulation down. Are you Russian? I'm Belarusian. But yeah, my dad is Russian, my mom is Belarusian, so I'm half Russian, half Belarusian. So yeah, I speak Russian. So yeah, manipulation down, too long. I'm okay to short, too long. I'm okay just too long after retracement down. Yeah, you know, I noticed when Trump's speaking, like, nothing is going on, but when he posts something on Twitter, yeah. If you confirm your entry, you're good. You're good, guys, don't worry. What is the reason not to short? I mean, market's still closed, so I'm not fan of trading pre-market on indices. Let's wait. Like, you will see setup every single day between 10 and 11. Sometimes we are in trade from like 950, which is 950, 10 micro. But yeah, so far, I kind of like more gold. I took one trade already, but I'm going to trade with you guys as well. I'm going to connect my other accounts. My other accounts. I'm going to disconnect my take profit trader since I'm up almost 700 there. Bye bye. You know why I like take profit trader? Because we have daily payout there. I mean, same for select plan on TradingView, but I still have a Lightning funded. I'm gonna check my performance. Let me log in. I have 5 funded, I have 4 evals with TradingView now. Once again, I'm not going to lie, one eval goes bad. Like, seriously. I'm just not good in it. But everything else, just okay. Okay, let me check my journal. Yeah, I'm not doing bad, you know, on my TradingView accounts. I had one loss on this TradingView account 2 weeks ago. I had one loss, like red day. I had one loss like last week, but I recovered this. Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. Seems like I'm pretty clean right now on this account. Yeah, but still. Okay, guys, market is open. Now we are going to look for setup. So my plan is to be honest, to short, to long later, right after this. I will look for shorts down. Maybe I'm asking for too much. So once again, I'm okay to flip my bias to adjust myself to new market conditions if you're going to have this, but I'm looking for short to previous weekly high on ES. So guys, share with me what you're watching today. TradingView does not have activation fee. If you're trying to figure out which plan you need to go, if you're beginner with prop firms, I highly recommend to go with TradingView Select plan. After you pass, you're going to have options Select Daily or Select Flex. So daily means daily payouts. Flex, you can take payouts every 5 days. But you are going to have consistent rule on your evaluation account. This means you are not going to pass for 1 day, but if you would like to pass for 1 day, you can go with growth plan. Each plan TradingView does not have activation fee. So personal guys, TradingView and Lucid are my favorite prop firms. Then it's going to be, I would say, Apex and TPT and funded next futures. All right. What about Topstep? Topstep is good prop firm. I used to trade with them when they had Trader. I'm just not fan of Project X, but yeah, Topstep just okay. Nothing wrong about this. I'm just not fan of Project X. If they could bring Trader back, I could come back. So guys, let's focus right now. What I'm watching short down to previous weekly high. Picture quite like so right now. Lots of weeks, no volume yet. Maybe market is going to wait for 10. But yeah, I have plans to trade. Guys, hit the like. I'm doing giveaway right now. See pinned message in the chat. 2 150k pro Lucid accounts. If you want to trade with Lucid, I'm doing giveaway of these accounts. Tomorrow I will do I had scheduled, but I forgot. I forgot. Okay, guys, I will keep you updated. I have scheduled on my laptop for giveaways. But I do giveaways every single day, guys. If you join my channel, I'm doing giveaways every single day. Prop firms, TradeZella, and any other stuff. Alright, it seems like nothing is going on 5-minute chart. On indices, we are going to switch right now to gold, but I'm going to check SPX first. So what we can see here, guys, on SPX, we see big RTH gap, right? Which means what? Who knows what it means? Oh, I would say nothing because we already took this level. But normally, when we have big RTH gap, price tends to detest to 25% of RTH gap. then it goes to liquidity level, which means if we are going to see retracement back to 25-50% of RTH gap on SPX, we can look for longs to buy side liquidity level, right? So plan is just using SPX chart, ignoring everything that is going on ES. I will look for this, but I will only long if it's going to offer 5-minute OB. I will long on ES. Guys, let me bring my water. So once again, we know from a video about OT retracement, when we have big RTH gap, price tends to retrace to 25% first. I would say between 25 and 50. And then if it offers 5-minute order block as reaction from that range, we're looking for liquidity level. Move towards liquidity level. So right now, if it's going to offer 5-minute OB, I will look for longs to aim for liquidity level. The most obvious liquidity level right now at, if not this one, then like at least here at 76. We can get like 12 points or so, right? Make sense? Gold to London high. Let's see if it's going to offer confirmation first. Of course, guys, ideally, I wouldn't mind to see a previous weekly high retest. Yeah, you need to confirm your email just once, so don't worry about this. Today is too cold in Florida, by the way. I woke up, I was like, it was so cold. Weather, let me check. It's 7 degrees, 45 degrees here. 45. It's so cold, but it feels like. Can I see how it feels like? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if you can see this, but it's cold. It's cold. Yeah, they're dropping from the trees. They laugh, but they're frozen. What about gold? I took short on gold already. This trade. Yeah, guys, I mean, probably my plan is going to be inversion fair value gap 3-minute OB, 5-minute inversion fair value gap 5-minute OB, long to London high. So you guys just trying to see historical data on something. Yeah. If it's going to offer 5-minute OB plus 5-minute inversion for value gap, I may try to long. Accounts connected. You testing SMT with DXY on gold? I never did it before. Do you like it? Gonna move here. It worked. Okay, that's interesting. I'm gonna check this as well. Thank you for letting us know. Funny, because yesterday on TradingView TV's team, I was like, do I want to short ES or gold? Gold or ES? Gold or ES? And I initially wanted to short ES, but it never presented opportunity for me. It was just okay. I shorted gold, but we got the short finally yesterday to 10 AM open here. as always, around like 3:30 p.m. Not fun of this. Checking SPX again. See this reaction, guys, from the range between 25 and 50%. If it's going to 5-minute OB, we can try to long to this level here. Where setup is going to be better, gold or ES? Or gold or ES? I'm waiting for 5-minute OB. How many points stop loss is going to be? Not big one, around like 6 points. You wanna see 20? Wait a minute. You said maybe you meant 26k? Yeah, gold 5-minute and 5-minute OB, we can try to long to aim for London high. Maybe even higher. This high. Oops, not this one. This one. Oh, come on, Dasha. Here at 51.45. Guys, I'm going to use April contract just for your information. I'm gonna check right after stream. I was busy yesterday. Yeah, I remember you sent me a message about mistake. Yeah, I'm gonna figure this out for you. You don't like displacement? Let's see. 2 minutes left and not 2 minutes left. Yeah, 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Hello, hello. From Japan. Wow. It's one of my dreams to go to Japan one day. Oh, I got it. Yeah, we don't have confirmation for long yet. As said before, you don't want to blindly enter the trade without confirmation. 5-minute would be confirmation for me for potential long. But also keeping my eyes on gold. Let's see. Don't want to be in a rush. It's 9:43. We have enough time for today. Guys, by the way, if you just joined, maybe starting next week or in 2 weeks, I'm going to stream both sessions, AM and PM session, on my channel only. So I'm not sure about exact schedule yet, but I will stream probably from 12:30 p.m. from 9 to 11 a.m. New York time, from 12:30 until 2. We will see what time we are going to finish. Maybe later, if it's going to be good price action. Maybe like early if it's going to be garbage. But I'm going to stream both sessions. And yes, guys, I'm sitting in front of my computer all day. Even if I'm off stream, I still trade, just for your information. So just going to trade on stream. Yes, see pinned message in the chat. I'm running giveaway right now, 2 150k pro Lucid accounts. Come on, give us a closure, please. Please, give us a closure. Unfortunately, the previous 5-minute candle closed. Oh my god, I'm disappointed right now. My plan, if it's going to close above this blue line, but above this done close candle, I would like to long. Ideally, I would like to long using SPX levels. Since no closure yet, I just don't want to be in a rush. Technically, I can start early, like not at 9 a.m., maybe 8:45. Please. Offer the closure before running higher. Feels like 30. Come on. Like, Daytona not that far from me. Why it's so cold there? 8:45. Yeah, technically I can start early. It's not a problem if it's like 8:45, 8:50. Waiting for the closure, guys. First idea that I have in my mind, if it's going to close, I will try to long to 7,007 area. Do you stream daily? Yes, every single day. Both sessions. Let's see if this down close candle is going to hold New York midnight open. I will try to long. Do you trade Mondays? I trade every single day. I traded yesterday 2 times. Potential first trade idea probably is going to be this one. We're getting the closure, if we are going to get the closure, above this line. I'm looking for longs. TP over here. Maybe. Something like this. So cold. Long since I did. Come on, I said it all today many times. I was on Steam yesterday on a Ninja Trader Live. How many points stop loss? 1 point. It's okay. Main question, if you're going to get the closure or not. It's important. Range not huge yet. Yeah, we have not red folder news, we have orange folder news at 10. Yeah. Closure, 5-minute candle closure. Or I'm watching gold. My idea on gold, if it's going to stay above New York midnight open, I will try. Break below New York midnight open, I will say bye-bye gold. Oh, wait. When I see RSIP in 3-minute OB but not 5-minute OB, I feel bad about this. I never trade this. We just got the closure. It's basically, guys, 1-hour trade. Yeah, I feel like it's fake. I'm not saying like it's fake, but I feel like it's fake. Would like to try long. Just scalp. Just scalp. Would like to see 7,000. We will see. Entered small size. I have 2 liquidity levels on SPX. Not perfect risk reward, but I would like to scalp this. It's according to my plan, you know, guys. I just need to follow this plan. If SPX... One second. If SPX is going to take minor buy side first, you can take partials. Come on. I think I can trail. We'll close scalp here, I guess. Just scalp. Pretty much what I planned, right? Did you eat? No. I have problem with... Actually, I feel like I'm getting sick. Guys, it's just quick W, I guess. I scalp exactly what I want. Just follow my plan. Yeah, I closed. I scalped. You know? I wanted to see closure long. As I said before, it's not going to be perfect risk reward around like 1 hour. I'm going to close, guys. I just fine with this, I guess. I would like to 7,007. I closed just a bit early, like 2 ticks away. Look at SPX. Guys, watch my videos. Everything explained there. It's perfect. Perfect. Guys, just trust me. I backtested SPX already 3 months data. I got 3 months data with my beautiful hands. I backtested this. I know it works. If SPX is going to take buy side, guys, close there. If you're still holding, close there. See? It was just hyperability scalp. Guys, I'm always confident with my trades. Even if it's 1 hour, I always feel confident. I see it's bad, like bad entry or bad, how to say, bad risk reward, but I'm confident always. It was, you know, it was just too fast. I didn't have time like to say, I need to enter right now. It was just too fast. That's pretty much it. So guys, we got nice scalp together. It's my second trade on the day. Hit the like for my confidence. Yay, get trade and Q. Woohoo. You trade on your funded? It was 1 hour trade. Or so. I mean, I put stop loss slightly above 50% of this OB. But, you know, I was confident it will not retrace a lot. It's just going to be food delivery. Quick at gold. I mean, today is a perfect example. When we had textbook set up on indices, gold just garbage. Yay! Guys, good job who took this trade. We discussed this trade, we planned this trade. We were confident with this trade. We are the best. As always. See? Exactly what I explain in my videos. And you know what why I love to stream? Because everything I explain, I trade this. It's not because I found like it worked like just once, like 1 year ago, I'm going to explain this. Everything I explain in my videos, I trade on live streams to show you it works. Did I explain this move? Of course. How many times? Millions times. Happy we close the trade, right? But I mean, like, we don't need to sit and wait for a setup. Waiting for another opportunity. So videos. I'm going to send you a couple of videos how I trade this. It's everything on my YouTube, guys. More videos coming. But a video about SPX because I use SPX to scalp this trade based on OT retracement. If you're too lazy, guys, but I highly recommend to print this picture and put this on your desk. I'm going to send you a picture right now. Just link from this picture. Let me scroll down. I'm going to send you a link from my Twitter right now. Guys, please print this page. And funny to say, I don't know why I got lots of hate about this post. Let's put here. I sent link in the chat. Highly recommend to print this. For some magical reason, I got so many hate about this post, but let's read this together. I posted this January 21st, like 1 week ago. RTH gap. C. When you're looking for RTH gap fills, shift your focus on SPX first. Did we do this? Yes. If SPX opens with large RTH gap and between 9:30 AM and 9:40 AM New York time, price fails to take key liquidity level on high time frame, avoid chasing the move. Instead, you're waiting for retracement to 25%. I would say between 25 and 50%. And usually if it offers 5-minute OB, you want to trade. I mean, let's say it retraced to 25%, offer at 5-minute OB, we want to short to liquidity level. Big RTH gap, once again, it's important. Large RTH gap, okay. Large RTH gap, yes. Big RTH gap. Did we retrace between 25 and 50%? Yes. Did it fail to take liquidity level between 9:30 and 9:40? Yes. Did it offer at 5-minute OB? Yes. Did we have high probability scalp trade? Yes. Did we take this? Yes. Because we follow our plan in our analysis. Print this picture, guys. Highly recommend to add to your study notes or something like this. It's not just cherry picked or how you call this. It just works often. Okay, it's interesting because I don't use RTH gaps on indices. I use this for SPX chart only, but I analyze SPX to trade ES. I mean, we actually got a bit different picture on NQ, but you can use this as confirmation on NQ, I guess, as well, because ES and NQ most of the time move same direction, right? Yeah, it was brilliant long. Yeah, I hate to say 100% of the time because it's not true, but it works often. You can backtest. Never trust someone on internet, guys. Backtest first and you will see if it's going to work for you or it's not going to work for you. Right? SPX ticker. So it calls, hello, Michael. Hello. SPX. SPX. SPCFD. We just took long on ES. We just scalped this. Maybe not perfect risk reward, but it was obvious move. How are you today, Michael? How was your weekend? Is it cold in your state? Do you go outside? Because, I mean, it's Florida, but it's kind of cold here. I know, it's like 45 degrees. But yeah, my kids keep asking me when they're going to see snow, because they want to see snow. But yeah, maybe I know when. One day they're going to see snow, because it's funny to say, like, my kids 6 and 5, they never ever seen snow. Maybe they saw like 1 inch snow in North Carolina, like 1 inch, but I cannot call it snow, Let me translate negative 30 degrees to Fahrenheit. Well, I remember when I was a kid. I mean, of course, I saw snow in my life. I'm from Belarus. I remember when I was a kid. We were going to school. Like, we didn't have cars. Like, we didn't have anything. I was going to school. It was minus 22 degrees. Or in other words, minus 30 degrees in normal temperature. It was minus 22 degrees. I remember how cold it was. And I was like, we had like school dresses, Obviously, it looked like summer dress. And we were going to school, minus 22 degrees. It was crazy. Yeah, I cannot imagine my kids going to school when it's like minus 22 degrees. So Michael said he wants to see 133. I would like to see 118, I guess, because we have equal highs there. Yeah, that was cold. But for some reason, no one cares. I mean, I know in US, when it's cold, like school stops working, which is like, okay, that makes sense. But in Belarus, guys, if it's too cold, who cares? Just go to school. Who cares? It's funny. Yeah, I saw a picture on internet. I don't remember if it was like Google or Twitter or Instagram. Don't remember. Like in Russia, somewhere in Russia. I don't know like which city it is, but level of snow, guys, 2, 3, like it's like second floor, third floor. Like it's like huge one. Like it's like entire like building in US. I can try to find this picture once again. Level of snow in I don't remember. In Russia, 2026. Please give me this picture. Yeah, I found this. Like, watch, guys. Let me change resolution first. 1 second. Just watch this. I mean, 5 days ago. 5 days ago. And it's not like AI or something like that. It's in Russia right now. It's just crazy. Like, look, how many floors? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 floors, guys. Wow. You want to go to store? Not a problem. Here's the entrance for you guys. Yeah, I saw this picture, by the way. Wow. You want to go outside? Not a problem. That's crazy. Look at this, guys. Wow, just wow. Anyway, I cannot do this. Like, just look at this. Kamchatka there. Okay, got it. Minus 55 degrees. It's minus 67 degrees, guys, in Russia. Minus 67 degrees. I mean, yeah, I love snow as well, but not that much. Oh, I found this picture. Look at this. It's not AI, guys. It's still picture. Don't forget your sunscreen. Yeah. Just insane, right? In Russia. Why have Russia? Okay. It's just crazy. I hope they're safe as well. But it's insane. I never seen that before in my life. Do you miss it? I mean, hard to say. Hard to say. Last time when I saw snow, I was like 17, 16 years old. 17, I guess, yeah. I mean, it's nice to slide down from this, like from slide, snow slide, but it's hard to say right now. But my kids always asking like, when we're going to see snow. But it's really good question. I guess it was Kamchatka, right? It's real. It's not AI. Minus 67 degrees, like minus 50 in Russia. So I cannot say I miss this, to be honest. You know what we got? What we got here? We got nice retracement. We got, is it flat candle? Is it? We got a couple of flat candles. SPX still has room to go higher. A bit like, I guess one question right now for ES, how far I would like to see ES going. But once again, what is going on right now on gold? Chop. Do we have trend on ES? I would say beautiful trend. I took long already, like, where's the closes? I took this with you guys, it was like 10 minutes ago. I took this on TradingView, all my TradingView accounts, select and lightning funded. It was just scalp, like for 1 hour, it's just fine. But in this scalp, we never was in drawdown, which is nice. Also, I showed that gold before. I took 2 trades today. So right now I'm flat, but I'm waiting for another opportunity. Yeah, Alan, that's a great question. I'm not sure I have answer on this question because I didn't backtest how New York midnight open, and 10 a.m. open like play with each other, you know? Maybe minor pullback and a second, and continuation higher. Yeah, long here. Actually, I could put my stop. If I use 1 minute chart, I could put my stop loss here. Do you know Hindi? No. I know Russian. I know English, not that good, by the way. And when I was in school, like elementary, middle school, high school, we have like one school for everything. I used to study Chinese, but I don't remember a single word in Chinese. Yeah. So we might actually look for continuation setup because we got in using 30-minute sweep. By the way, using 30-minute sweep, we could enter here at 96. We entered at 99. We could enter here. Let's see if we're going to get continuation setup. We can try long again. Well, sometimes I know there is no reason to hold for 2R if SPX and ES reach my levels. I anticipate to get reaction and there is big chance to get break even or even stop loss. I just like 1R. I'm fine. You know, sometimes there is a trade when I see it's going to be just either straight up, or let's say I'm long, straight up in my favor, or it's going to hit TP stop loss immediately. So today I was fine with 1R because I knew since we got 5-minute OB, I only anticipate to get straight up. You can backtest this especially on SPX and you will see how good it is. Let me see. But while we are waiting, guys, let's watch this one. It's Kamchatka, Russia. Do you like it? Car, it's parking lot here. Kids playing. It should be car here. She's trying to find her car. Look at this. Wow, it's just insane. You want to go home? You need to survive first. People trying to go to stores. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Of course, part of me wants to see this in real, in real life. Yeah, I know why they're trying to find their cars, because they will not be able to drive, right? It's a great question. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Wow. 14 floors, guys. Woohoo! Let's slide down. Let's slide down. Look at this. Mmm. Mmm. Well, well. It's Kamchatka. It's in Russia. It's not AI. It's real one. Can I sit here, please? Just for a couple of minutes. It's just, oh, wow. It's like emergency cars. Just crazy. Let's focus. Nothing to focus on, like it's kind of boring right now. ES seems strong right now, but I cannot say for, NQ seems strong right now. Yeah, let's see. Waiting for setup. Waiting for setup. My third trade. I'm watching gold. Nothing yet. It's safe to long above New York midnight open. So I will look for long above New York midnight open. We have minor SMT. Maybe we will chase down again. Both yes and Q trying to stay above New York midnight open so far. Let me close this for now. But comparing to yes and Q, kind of strong. Hi, long time no see, right? Let me switch on gold. On gold we have potential SIP. Let's see if we are going to get refinement OB. I will try to long gold. Also, I will long above New York midnight open. I will aim for London high in 51.45 in April contract. Which SIP is that? This one. Okay, going to wait for refinement to be able to try to long gold. How big stop loss is going to be? Well, let's wait for setup. I'm waiting for refinement to be on gold to try. Peter, you deleted your message, but I didn't have time to read. 150 minute, yes, there is 50 minute OB in the same price, 69.97. Did we test this already? Yeah, you want to see there, right? I'm kind of bullish. I still would like to see higher. Hope to long gold as well. Just need to get refinement OB first. Will not be in rush. So far we have SMT. Peter, you're right with your retracement. I would like to see the test of 96, 95 area. To be honest, hope to trade gold, not ES, because ES feels like it's becoming choppy now. I will not be surprised to see something like this. And back to consolidation, If it's going to drop right now, nothing surprise me anymore, Yeah, of course. I opened I opened monthly chart. Sorry guys, let me do like this. And I highlighted this level. It's on monthly chart. Full port silver, guys. Guys, I will look for a trade on gold. Just waiting for 3-minute OB to confirm this. I will try to long. So I normally use bodies when we have a huge wicks. When we have huge wick, but let's say big body, I'm going to use just body. When we have like small wicks and like regular body, I'm going to use entire candle. Do you think yes and Q will come down? I mean, I would like to see the retracement down. I'm not ignoring you, by the way. Sorry about this. Like lots of messages. I'm just trying to be focused on market and trying to reply messages. Sorry about this. This is what I would like to see on yes. Ow. Hit my finger. Oh, don't worry. If you ask questions, I'm just going to scroll up to find your comment. Let's see if it's going to trace down right now. I don't mind. I'm going to switch back on micro ES because gold still no setup for me. Maybe scalp short down below this level. So what do you think about scalp, short scalp below this level? One hour again. I will consider this idea, by the way. Let's see. On 2-minute chart. It's still trying to hold SMT, right? ES does not have big range, by the way. So I anticipate to get like, if it will scalp like 6-7 points. Oh, I said this. 6 points or so below this blue line. Come on, gold. Stop it. We're waiting for you as well. We have a couple of flat candles on SPX. Makes sense to balance them. I want to see gold breaking above 5,075. Yeah, basically tracement back to previous monthly high. Would like to see the tracement down and long again. On gold, my plan, if it's going to close above sequence of unclosed candles long to London high and buy side here. That's plan. So I'm watching possible short scalp on ES now and possible long on gold. Scalp down to previous, maybe not previous monthly high, but where did I draw this before? This one. Let's see if it's going to close. We got minor closure. What about the minute chart? Check gold. Gold would like to see this one. So basically closure above this level. Stop loss will be, I don't know, like exact point on about stop loss on gold, but probably 10 a.m. open. Let's see. Kind of choppy, but we got a minor closure. I don't like we didn't get the closure 3 yet. 3-minute chart yet. Gonna wait. Like, I'm not fan of, scalping, Epic's 90% of coming. Why? What happened? Quite choppy right now. Gold set F you guys. For now, let's wait more. A bit different picture on SPX chart. Okay, that's interesting. Because on SPX chart, potential achievement will be only here, while on ES it's over here, like right now. It's already 90 off, like, are you kidding me? I don't think so. Come on, drop to this level, please. We need some retracement. I'm just asking for friend. Can you please drop? I'm just asking. Is 90% off? I mean, it's a great news. I can buy more accounts. Let me log into my email to check this. I didn't receive any email with 90% off. So, well. Oh, I just got message. Never mind. Yay! Yeah, you're right, guys. Then, of course, let's trade Apex. So I'm waiting for pullback now. But activation fee, I'm gonna check right now for you. $65. That's great. No, I'm lying. $75, which is cool. $75. Okay, I like it. I like it. It works for me. It works for me. Well, it's not in sync right now between ES and NQ. Gonna wait more. Keeping my eyes on gold. Yeah, 90% off. Plus $75 activation fee. Let me leave for now since I'm not on this trade. NQ kind of strong. Come on, gold. Go for me. Go for me, please. No. I'm flat. Completely flat. No trades. I just switch on Apex account to trade Apex. I don't want to be British. I just would like to see pullback down. Retracement down. Give me OT, please. I'm bullish for the day, guys. I would like to see higher. SPX left room to go higher. Buy side here at 69.79. I just would like to long again after retracement. I'm just thinking like if I want to short, scalp to long again, but I will try to just wait for longs. Gold surely trying. Back on gold. Going to switch right now. Because I'm looking for long gold. Gold long. I will try to long. 3-minute OB. Stop loss will be 10 AM open. I will aim for London high and all-time high. Yeah, I will look for setup on gold. Let's wait. Sorry, guys. We'll try to long above this level. We'll put my stop loss somewhere here. I know, not perfect risk reward, but I will take it. You know? I can put my stop loss slightly below New York midnight open. I am moving. I am here. Range kind of big, so be careful trading lots of contracts. I think you're muted. Am I muted? I don't think so. Come on, give me the closure. Didn't want to retrace for me, which is okay. We can see. Hey, stop it. Is it? That's my trade idea. Waiting for the closure. I will try to long. But talking about 3-minute chart and confirm, I didn't see this initially, but we got 3-minute OB before, right? 3-minute OB was offered here. Would like to long. 2 hours here, but I would like to see higher. Would like to long with 2 micros. Just be careful, stop loss. I would say kind of big. Oh. Yes, stop loss is going to be around like 20 points. Just be careful trading lots of contracts. Sorry, guys. I just entered 2 micros. We have equal highs here. Equal highs here at 28. I need to add price here, 1 second. My stop loss a bit below New York midnight open. So as you can see, I'm risking 360 on these accounts. I'm not aiming for 2R. It's going to be definitely less. But let's try. Apex Ryan 90% off right now. I'm trading my 20 PA accounts. Yeah. Good risk. I plan this trade. Let's see how it goes. $15. Yeah, I need to get used to this new levels, because I was like, it was just 5,078. $28 is equal highs. Just be careful. Trail your stop loss once if it's going to hit equal highs. Just be careful once again. We got the closure on 5-minute chart, so here's my plans that I want to see. Just need to follow this plan. You know, Ninja Trader sent me a message this morning like, you need to update your contract. I said like, okay, no problem. And I didn't realize on TradingView I still have old contract. It's micro gold. Actually, let me move like this. It's going to be easier to see. It's my third trade today. I took 1 win on gold shorts, 1 win on ES longs, and it's my third trade. Yes, I think you just decided to go up, which is fine. Extension level based on OT lines up with buy side at 7017. I do like this as well. No. So here's the equal highs. Just put them on NinjaTrader. Let's see where this equal MGC. We have April contract. There's equal highs at, yeah, same level. Let's see how it goes. You can DCA. I'm not going to do this. My entry according to the plan. It's not late. It's not early. It's just according to the plan. Buy silver, I mean, you know, like, to be honest, I wouldn't mind to see deeper retracement. Why promote epics? Why not? Guys, as long as you follow rules, they will pay you. It's funny, today I saw, it was on Instagram, I saw a post. One guy was complaining about Epics declined his payout, and he said, I didn't break any rules. In reality, he was in a huge drawdown, then I guess brought his P&L to green, and they of course denied their payout. I mean, it's, you broke the rule, come on, man. Why are you complaining right now? And you see, guys, lots of noise and like loudest people on Twitter saying they scam because they keep rejecting my payout. But this guy hiding one small fact. He's breaking the rules. If you're going to break rules, you're not going to be paid. That's how it works. Well, I wouldn't say like gold is cheap price action, to be honest with you guys. But yeah, definitely doesn't want to move. 1044. Because it's April contract, I switched to a new contract. That's why. Sorry, guys. Please start moving. At least take equal highs. Don't be shy. Just do this. It's not that hard. Trust me. I'm not sure, guys. I mean, I'm sure I'm going to take partial here if it's going to run to this equal highs. It's smart to do this because it's liquidity level. My main task on Epics, since I have 20 Epics accounts, is to have $200 a day on each account. It's my main task. So everything about $200 is just perfect, amazing, but I don't have goal to make a lot on every single, like on any accounts, on any of my 20 accounts, Epics accounts. If I'm up $200, it's my base hit on Epics, guys, $200. I'm perfectly fine with this. So first target is just scalp target because it's obvious level. I have 50k. I have 50k 20 Epics accounts. Once again, guys, I'm going to say this again many times. Trust your analysis. Trust your model. If you know this model works, you backtested this million times. Of course, not millions times, but you backtested this a lot. You know it works at this time, using these conditions. You need to understand, sometimes it's not going to work, and that's perfectly fine. Just trust your analysis, plan your trade, trade your plan. After your stream, will you be on Tradify TV channel? Yes, at 1 p.m. Dasha, help me. How? You have 100% win rate? Share your strategy with us. Plan the trade, trade the plan. That's it. Short today. So we took internal liquidity level. I was using April contract, and in April contract, it failed to take New York midnight open. I was like, it failed to take New York midnight open. I'm going to expect a retest. We took London low, we traced to premium, internal buy side liquidity was taken. I was like, if it's going to offer sweep, I will try to short. It offered sweep on 30-minute chart, if not mistaken. Entered short. My first TP was New York midnight open, and runner was... I would just put random level for runner. I didn't know where it's going to drop. I just put at 84, I believe. I didn't know we had liquidity levels there. I just put random level on my chart. Yeah, I trade exactly the same model. Yes. Silver. I stopped trading silver. I mean, not really stopped, but it's a bit stressful, not going to lie. On gold, everywhere. Yeah, that's true. I will be on my channel. Market makers, equal highs, or just take it. Stop these games. I need to be at least 10 points to hit my daily target on gold. Because my daily target is $200 on each of my 20 funded accounts. If it's going to take equal highs, ideally I need to close my trade, but risk reward is not going to... I mean, if I wasn't on stream, I would close my trade. I will think maybe I will close because my objective is $200. But at least I will take partial. That's all I know. Equal highs on micro gold at 8 a.m. So once again, my stop loss is kind of wide because I want to give this room for retracement. I still need to put my stop loss here at this swing low. It's perfect stop loss, but I just didn't want to put this kind of tight. I want to give this room for retracement. And gold? Equal highs, maybe? Guys, Tradify is absolutely amazing team, absolutely amazing prop firm. I just had contract for 6 months. It just ended. That's it. This is how it works. 1050. Well, guys, I guess I'm going to trail to break even here. I would try to the enter trade lower if it's going to retrace. Yeah. I'm going to trail to break even here. I just feel like it's better way for me to do so. If it's going to trace back to New York midnight open, I would try to position myself near New York midnight open, you know? Oops. Where's my executions label? I entered long time ago already. Okay, got it. Equal high, not equal highs, London high is 36. I'm okay to the enter later again. It's just 1050 macro. It's perfectly fine to see retracement down back to New York midnight open. And if it's not going to retrace right now, it should be straight up to equal highs, I believe. Sorry, guys. But if it's going to trace to New York midnight open, I will try like just lower entry, better entry, you know, less risk. But my feel was according to the model. I like my entry, but I wouldn't mind to get like better feel, better entry. Like I would say around 5100, maybe. Yeah, 1050 macro, 1050, 1110 macro. So I can anticipate retracement, but I would try to take equal highs. It's not really equal highs on gold chart, but it is on micro gold chart. I would try to take this level and then retracement. But I feel like I'm bullish right now. You know, my conditions for being bullish met. I don't need to switch this. I need to make I need to make $200 on each account. It's my daily goal. Where was my entry? 15, okay. Okay, got it. Thank you. It either, yeah guys, hit the like. Let's pray for equal highs to be taken first. But if not, I will re-enter just lower again. So my idea right now, if it's going to trace back to my entry, which is perfectly fine, I will wait for the tracing back to New York midnight open. After this, if it's going to trace to New York midnight open and will stay above this level, I will try to long again. Exactly same idea, I guess. Equal highs looks good, to be honest. Yeah, Rose, I mean, this just makes sense, and I believe even if it's going to stop me out here, equal highs still will make sense. I still will try this. Yeah, guys, four more minutes to end their giveaway. I hope in 4 minutes we're going to hit my first TP, please. Not break even, please. But I hope we're going to hit my first TP in 4 minutes, because in 4 minutes I will start announcing winners. You have 4 minutes to enter giveaway, guys. Here's the link in the chat. Click this link to participate. Let's check ES real quick. SPX took buy side, which is amazing, to be honest. ES didn't take buy side yet, because buy side liquidity at 7,017. At At least we enter the trade. We never was in drawdown. It's just consolidating above our entry. It's good. It's good news, guys. Guys, 2 more minutes, less than 3 minutes left to enter giveaway. Should we close? It's up to you. I'm not going to close. If I'm going to be up 10 points, because I'm not yet, I'm up like 5 points, I can close the trade simply because I'm going to be up $200. So this blue line, I'm going to be up $200. But I will re-enter lower if it's going to trace to New York midnight open now, and we'll stay above this level. I will try again. But at this point, we can get better fill, and we can get better win, better risk reward. Little higher, I don't see reason to be honest. But if you want, like, it's up to you. As I said before, it's like 10.50, 11.10 macro. Can we retrace now? Yeah, of course, we can retrace now, and I'm perfectly fine with this. We can get new entry, better fill. Why your price is different? Because I trade April contract. I switched this morning to April 2026 contract, which is GCJ 2026 on TradingView. Additional gold chart still has old contract. I believe it's February contract. You know, to be honest, I wouldn't mind to see lower today, but it's truly hard to short all-time highs. From my personal mistakes, guys, from my own mistakes, I know I lost a lot trying to short all-time high on NQ. I'm not going to lie, I lost a lot trying to short all-time high on gold. So 51.25 is going to be level where I'm going to be up $200. I know it sounds crazy, but I have base hit, guys, which is $200 per account on Apex accounts. Because I'm trading this like carefully. Let's draw lines there. If it's going to be up here, I'm going to be up $200. Ideally, I can close my trade there. Should we close? Who is the best? Of course, me. Okay, at least luck partial. Who is the best? I told you. Of course, it's me. Sorry, guys. I was just trying to joke around. It's my third trade. I had TW, guys. 2 of these trades taken live. 1 was taken at 8.25, but I finished this trade on live. Sorry, guys. I will close here because it's $200. It's my base hit. But guys, it's my base hit. I don't want to hold longer. I just know myself. But I would like to hold. If I would hold my trade, I would hold this London high. I just made my base hit on this 20 Apex accounts. So guys, Apex are 90% off now. It's really perfect prop firm if you want to try this. Deal valid until February 5. You know which code you need to use, of course. And yeah, I got my 10 points on gold. Happy with this. Let's do giveaway. I guess this code valid for 7 days, 90% off plus $75 activation fee. No, I tried Apex. Apex are 90% off, but Lucid trying 40% off on all plans available on their website. 40% off one-time evaluation fee, so basically pay just once. Yes, I copy across all my accounts. What I want to say, and no activation fee. Or 50% off for new users, guys. If you want to try Lucid, 50% off for new users, 40% off for existing users on all plans. But Apex are 90% off, guys. I still would like to see higher to London high. And let's pick the winner. Yeah, guys, if you see your country in a listed list, it's not because Lucid wanted to put your country in the listed list, because government does not allow to trade this broker in this country. That's only the reason. So don't blame Lucid for this. Okay. Okay, today, 2 150k pro accounts. Lucid accounts. Ready, guys? If I'm going to call your name, I'm going to put it in the chat. You need to say, hey, it's me. I'm here. I won. Woohoo. Something. David, you won. So you have 53 seconds to say, it's me, I won, woohoo, I'm so happy. $40 seconds. I see you. You won. You won 150k Lucid Pro account. I'm going to send you link. I'm going to send you email with your code. You don't need to do anything. Just wait for email from me. Once again, one-time evaluation fee, so you can take your time to pass this evaluation. No activation fee. Next one. Next one, best one. It passed. And last winner for the day. It's you. Are you in the chat? Say yes, I'm here. I won. Don't say it's scam. It's my personal boat. It's my website. I work hard to remove like all spam, scam as well. I don't see your name. Or I'm probably miss this. Is it you? Let me check. Let me compare. 1 second. Where is this? Gonna make sure first. Winner is it you or not? It's just different username. 1 second. You have a bit different username. Let me see. Why different username? I don't understand. Well, it's hard to say because you have different username. I haven't compared your website. I mean your YouTube. It's not you, so new winner, guys. Let me delete. Let's pick another winner. Because sometimes I see similar names, but like different letters. Like last letter or Daniel, can you see this? Daniel, are you here? You won. Yay! You won 150k used per account. Okay, guys, happy for you. Talking about gold, I still would like to see London high. I just closed my base hit, but once again, I still would like to see higher. Nothing changed. Let's take 51.36. Yeah, Daniel is nice guy, seriously. Let's see if it's going to run to London high, because I seriously just want to see if my trade idea was right. Yeah, contact me if you need help. You're welcome. If you just got Apex, wait for email, like confirmation email. And if you never used Apex before, you need to like connect to your accounts. If you got TradeAway, you can trade on TradeAway. If you got this on TradeAway itself, you can just, or Rhythmic, you can connect to NinjaTrader, just enter your login and password that they provided you. That's it. Sometimes it takes time to create account. It's not usually takes too much time, around like 5 minutes, but it's pretty much fast. Yeah, and one more thing, guys, before I hope gold is going to take my level. Guys, if you're new on my channel and if you're trying to learn ICT, I highly recommend to go on my website, which is funded.now, and you will find ICT mentorship. It's completely free guide. So I put this in all ICT videos, not all ICT videos, but the most important videos, ICT videos in proper order. So to study from the very beginning to until like you become advanced trader, ICT trader. So you have foundation, core, advanced, extra part, and market maker model part. Everything will be based on ICT YouTube channel. Foundation, just introduction to trading. It's nothing about like ICT itself. But when you click core, you need to start with core content from month 1. You need to click this. After watching video, you can leave notes. Leave notes about what you learned in this video, what you need to rewatch again. You can leave your timestamps here as well. And until the end. So guys, once again, I put only important videos here. Are you a citizen? Yes, I am. I put only important videos in this playlist. So you don't need to watch every single ICT video. But once you click the link, it will send you on the ICT YouTube channel. And you watch this on ICT YouTube channel. After watching video, I highly recommend to leave notes. Maybe you're confused with something, just leave notes. You can ask me later. Maybe I will help you to answer the question. At timestamps where exactly you had the problem. For example, here's a link, guys, if you want to study this. I'm working on something very cool for you guys. Once again, completely for free. Because I really want to help people. So why I'm doing this for free? Because seriously, guys, I wish I had this kind of resources when I only started. I didn't have this kind of resources when I started. So I'm okay to share. I'm okay to share my journey. I would like to just help people with this as well. So here's the link, guys. If you would like to learn ICT, look at gold. Guys, our entry was even better than beautiful. It was even better than amazing. So from where I said I'm going to enter, we're about to reach my TP at 51.36. Once again, I like my base hit on Apex accounts, but let's imagine I'm still holding like one runner. I would like to see London high. Nothing changed. London high is also equal highs. Yeah, nice website, lots of helpful resources there. You can find information how to trade and manage your accounts there, and helpful resources. Lot size calculator, consistency calculator. What else? Economic calendars. I'm going to add my stream schedule there as well, because I'm going to do more streams on my channel starting next month. So you will find this. But let's take a look at this again. And this one, guys, also completely for free. So I created this page so you can track your expenses. So for example, you can see on this website completely for free how much you spent, how much you made with payouts or something like that. You can see if you're net profitable or not. You can add transactions here. You can, once again, you need to log in first. I didn't log in yet, but you need to log in first. You can sync your account. You can add your accounts. You can add transactions, how much you spent, how much you made. It will calculate for you everything. You will be able to see if you're net profitable or not. Here is the link, completely for free, guys. It's my website. You can trust this because I did this with my husband. But if you want to track your expenses, how much you made, total payouts, I know, like something like that, you can track this over here. As well as I have, once again, economic calendars. I have future slot size calculator. For example, future lot size calculator. You don't know how many contracts you need to trade. Here's my account. Maximum daily drawdown. Like, let's say we have like personal daily drawdown, $500 on these Apex accounts. Risk amount, I don't want to risk more than $250. Let's say. How many points you had stop loss? 18 points. It was micro gold this morning. I can trade 1 micro. I entered 2 micros because I was kind of confident, but according to this risk, I have, let's say, Apex 50K account. I have personal daily loss limit, which is $500. I risk per trade 250, 18 point stop loss on micro gold. I can trade 1 contract. Next one, if you're trying to figure out CSIS future margin contracts specs, so basically you don't know how much it costs to trade 1 micro or 1 mini contract, here's a link for you guys as well. I put everything you need to know as prop firm trader in this website. How much it's going to cost you to trade mini contract on gold or silver? How much it's going to cost you 1 micro on silver, gold, whatever. Here's a link I send you. What else I want to show you? The stated countries, guys. For example, you don't know which prop firm you can trade. You can pick your country. For example, I'm from Belarus. I want to check which prop firm I can trade with. If I'm from Belarus, if I'm Belarusian citizen, I can trade Funded Futures Network and earn to trade. It's like, for example, you can pick your country here and it will let you know which prop firm you can trade. Futures prop firm. Futures prop firm not works. So in Belarus, so I was in contact with Funded Futures Network. I had a call with manager. So he triple checked for me if I was Belarusian citizen, if I can trade this prop firm. And yes, I can. So I confirm this information. It's not coincident. So if you let's say from Belarus, you can use Funded Futures Network to trade futures. And yes, guys, I'm working on something very huge on this website, also completely for free. Not going to say right now because we're still testing this. I'm with my husband. We still, I'm just trying to figure out where I have mistakes there, any issues. I need to fix them. So, but it's going to be so cool. I promise you're gonna like it. What else? I'm going to stream on TradingView TV at 1 p.m. today. Yeah, we got 3 trades, 2 on stream. We got 3 W's today. 2 on streams, which I started on stream. 2 W's. Another trade I started on 8:25 a.m. I just finished this trade on stream as well. So today I'm sitting with 3 W's. Follow my plan. Everything was discussed before. Extremely happy with my analysis. We never got retracement. Interesting, in Q approaching right now, US monthly high. I like it. Actually, we had sweep on gold on 30-minute chart over here. But I'm not going to lie, I didn't realize this. And I was like, I'm going to wait for a 5-minute order block, because 5-minute order block means it's going to be above New York midnight open. We tested New York midnight open before already. We hit sell side liquidity level. We hit London low. We need to go to opposite liquidity level. And that's why I said I will long. We planned this trade like 20 or 30 minutes before this happened. I will long at the closure. I put my stop loss. I had wide stop loss because I just wanted to give this bigger room for retracement. But I had to put my stop loss here, to be honest. It could be safe one as well. Just want to give this bigger room. I closed here because on Apex, my 20 Apex fund accounts, I have $200 target for the day. But I said before, if I had runner, I would hold to London high. It's my original TP, London high. Very happy with my performance. Seriously, I'm happy when I follow my rules, my plan. And we closed the trade on SPX. We got trade on ES. This scalp on ES. I wanted to see the retracement down to long again. Never happened. Instead, we just entered long on gold. Look at it. Perfect price action. Textbook price action. On gold. Textbook price action. Yeah, we hit this. Isn't that amazing? So guys, it's 11, 12, 20, not 12. I will see you in 2 hours on TradeView TV at 1 p.m. Let's look for fourth trade. Yeah, I'm here to show my trading, guys. I don't Photoshop anything. I just share everything I know and how I trade. So, Apex 90% off if you would like to try Apex. 90% off, $75 activation fee. I'm going to buy a Vals, to be honest. I don't know why, but I'm going to buy Vals to trade them. Honestly, I don't mind to have like full port day. Like one day, it just like interesting emotion when you're trying to full port accounts. Maybe I will try to full port the Vals. I don't need, because my Apex like looking good so far. But still, I'm going to buy 20 Vals as well. It's going to be trade await connection. Yeah, that's it, guys. 90% off, $75 activation fee. Look at gold. Oh my god, it's just amazing price action. Once again, I would hold if it wasn't Apex. I would hold longer. Oh wow. Oh wow. Beautiful price action. No, I can have only 20 funded accounts. I'm just going to have past accounts in case like something is horrible is going to happen. I'm going to blow accounts, which is of course possible. I hope it's not going to happen, but everything is possible. I need to just activate accounts. So guys, I'm going to buy. Do we have any important news to full port this? Just for fun. I'm gonna check. FOMC, not going to full port FOMC. PPI maybe on Friday. Yeah, I mean, if I'm going to full port, guys, nothing is guaranteed. Don't copy this, but I'm okay to full port on stream, like news, because you can trade news on this Apex. No promos on funded next features just yet. They're running 10% off. That's pretty much it. For now, but it's also a good deal in my opinion, especially Rapid Challenge. I like Rapid Challenge. You don't need to build the buffer, payouts every 3 days. Profit split, yeah, 80%, but still. Payouts every 3 days, you don't need to build the buffer, one-time evaluation fee. So 10% off, not huge discount, but still discount, which you may like on funded futures, funded next futures. Yeah, guys, I have perfect experience with TradingView, Lucid, Apex, Take Profit Trader, and funded next futures for now. I got accounts with Alpha Futures, Funded Futures Network, Intraday. Not going to lie, I didn't trade them yet. this means I didn't get any payouts at all with them. So I cannot give you my review on these prop firms yet. But yeah, guys, subscribe, hit the like. I love you. See you guys soon in less than 2 hours on TradeDeFi TV. Maybe we will kill there. Maybe we'll kill there. Because today on AM session, it's just perfect. Perfect. We traded ES, we traded gold. Beautiful price action. Tss, tss, full port is to seal it. Tss. Can you please let me do this, because I want to feel these emotions of full porting. I need to understand how full porters feel when they just trading all possible contracts they have. Guys, see you in 90 minutes. Take a break. I'm not going to trade, I promise. Off stream. Guys, yeah, see you soon. I might pull board on Friday, but I know. But guys, this week I'm going to stream every single day on my channel. I'm not going to skip any days. So if you will not be able to attend at 1 p.m. to trade with me on TradeDeFi TV, join me tomorrow. I may start early tomorrow, like 8:45. Guys, love you. See you soon. Lunch break.